Hello Friendship Heights in Washington, D.C. I'm Craig with Geek ABC. Geek ABC offers a variety of services to help you with your home and small business computers and networks. Our services start as basic as repairing a broken PC, laptop, or Mac, to more complex issues such as setting up your secure wireless network with file and print sharing. Do you need to upgrade your system? We can help you find the best option for your new computer, printer, or laptop. If your computer is running slowly, we can perform a system tune-up or remove any possible virus infections. Have you ever lost an important document or your pictures? We can help you set up a proper backup or recover any data from a crashed hard drive. If you've bought a new computer recently, we can help you set it up as well as transfer your files and documents to the new computer. Basically, you don't have to struggle with your computer issues alone. Geek ABC offers same-day on-site support for your PCs, Macs, printers, and wireless networks. Locally owned and operated, we come to you. Our industry-standard technicians provide fast, reliable, and affordable service with 100% satisfaction guarantee. We're fully licensed and insured so you can feel confident your data and equipment are in good hands. That's service you can trust. Call us today at 877-GEEK-ABC. That's 877-433-5222. Or look us up on the web, www.geekabc.com. I'm Craig with Geek ABC, your local on-demand IT service provider, and we're here to help.